say a boo, a boo, a boo. Hey guys, this is your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Disrespect me. So what? You know, pony.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Yes, I'm still on my vacation. I'm still in Jamaica. Don't worry about the head scarf. It's protecting the braids. And today is Sunday. This is my last week in Jamaica. But let me tell you, my vacation was very nice. It was eventful. Last week Sunday I went to church. It was awesome. This Sunday I am gonna cook dinner for my parents. So I'll be at home. And I didn't vlog everything because I can't vlog anything. Sometimes I just want to take a break and enjoy this with my friends and family. But to give you some update, I went and got my nails done. Oh God, they're so lovely. A bit short, but it's okay because I'm going back to work. But they do nails so good. But you know what? The girl, she filed down my nails so hard. I got some cut. I got cut there, and on this finger. But look, they're so nice. It's so nice and cheap. But let me tell you, bless me, I had such amazing time. And this week, as I said before, it's my last week, and I'm gonna cramp everything that I can before I go home, because I know back home is so cold. So I'm going to try and do everything I can before I go home. And hey, so I can't even talk. Some amazing news. My channel has reached over 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Thanks to me, and thanks to you guys for watching my videos, and just press that button and subscribe to my channel. But you know what, keep it going. And you know, you need to add a comment. You need to comment to the video. You need to tell me, you know, where I'm going wrong, what you like, what you don't like, if I'm not talking too much, if I'm chatting too much. Because you know, I don't really chat too much, because you know, my insecurity is my voice, because people keep commenting, you sound like a baby, whatever. But you need to just press the like button, touch the comment, and do your thing. And on my journey, I'll just show you what I'm doing for my last week. You know, experience my lifestyle. Yeah, the real deal, the country life. I love it, love it, love it. I eat so much food. I eat patty, cocoa bread, and you know what? all the nice things. Key and mango. No, me not lying. I didn't get no mango. I don't know where the mango gone. It's not mango season, but I'm enjoying every bit, every bit. It's like low key. Some days I don't do much. Some days I do a lot. But it is what it is. So, thanks again. 1,000 subscribers. Hey, hey. Yay, yay. I must say, I eat out every day. Every day. But I can't cook, so I'm gonna show my skills today and cook. And then, who knows what I'm going to... Oh, I think I'm going to a party later. Party. Look, my eyelashes falling off. But you know what? The girl did it good, you know. Because it lasts for 3 weeks. It's just falling apart now. Which is alright. Can't fall apart now, because me, I go back on my yard. So it can fall apart. And the face is given. I can't believe, you know what, I'm so excited. I came back to my country, and it 1,000. Listen, I waited so long for this, you know. Getting 1,000 is not that easy. It's not easy. You have to persevere and work hard like everybody do. When you watch the video, then you have to post this, that. It takes time. And you know what? That's how it go. That's how it go. But you know what? I'll take you along my journey. Am I looking forward to go home? Yes. Because my family, like my husband and child, is waiting for me. But out here is so nice. The weather is good. Even when it rains, by 2 minutes, it's hot again. So, who knows? That's how it go. Life.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised.
Me not too sure. Get that river. Okay. I'm here to look for his food.